Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using RCS Custom Nail Dips. We're going to be using two colors. The first one here is called Forest Sunset, and it is a fun thermal color. So it's this beautiful like emerald green with hints of blue in there. And then when it changes in the sun, it is a beautiful pink. And then we're going to be using this beautiful glitter here called Rose Garden. It's a mixture of chunky and fine glitter with shifts of teal, purple, pink, and blues. And that fine glitter is super pretty. It's like a holographic glitter. It's stunning. And these two colors here, even with that color change in Forest Sunset, are really pretty together. So we are going to be doing the gel method for this mani. And when I am doing thermals, sometimes using the gel method doesn't work. So I wanted to try testing out my Model 1 gels with this thermal, and it does work. So you will see that here in action in a little bit. I do also get a thermal change when I use my RCS Custom Nail Gels as well. I just wanted to see if I switched it up with a different one, if I would still get that payoff effect with the thermals. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. right, we're just finishing up this mani here, and how pretty is that color change? I really, really like it. It was super fun mani. I did not want to take this one off. I think Forest Sunset might be my new favorite thermal because it was like that beautiful pink coral color, and then the tip of my nail was always that blue, so fun. Definitely great colors, again, from RCS Custom Nail Dips. I have never been disappointed yet. So I will link everything in the description box below with what I used today. Mallory 15 will save you on your RCS Custom Nail Dip orders. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!